Alright, hey guys. So if you're wondering why I uploaded a sculpting video instead of a let's play video or gaming video in general, it's because this is a direct follow-up from the previous video. This channel is turning into an art channel. So if you're just here for Dark Souls or gaming content, it's fine if you want to unsubscribe now. I do realize that I'm late for almost a year. It's because of taking care of after school matters, and also last September something tragic happened, passing of a family member to be exact, and I also got a temporary job shortly after. The job itself is alright, but then my mental health kind of got pretty serious, so my dad convinced me to consult a psychiatrist. I accepted treatment and now I'm taking medications. It's a small amount, I'll just be fine. So with that out of the way, if you're still here, let's talk about the sculpt itself. This is Blythe, a character of mine. I created her last year in class. If you're wondering why it's a 3D sculpt instead of just 2D artwork, it's because in school we were introduced to ZBrush, a sculpting software, and I quickly fell in love with sculpting. So even though my course was digital illustration, I'm more into 3D sculpting right now. In this 2D artwork, you can see some anatomical error, especially the neck. I try to improve her in the 3D, and I'm also not going for one-for-one similarity. Okay, so about the character herself, she is a mercenary, but I think I'll change it to bounty hunter. I think that will sound better in my opinion. She's based in a dark fantasy setting, and this is an assignment with a partner, so I have a friend who also work on his character. We both work on a story, but for now I'll leave the story out since this is just a bust sculpt. More welcome. I just don't see fit for me to talk about her whole story with just a sculpt of her bust. However, if you want to see the rest of the character, you can go to my artstation. I've actually uploaded most of my schoolworks there. Check it out if you're interested. Link is in the description. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. I'm more active right there. And I also have another video coming out soon. I will try to upload more often now, at least weekly, starting next month. So if you're interested to see more, well, subscribe and leave me a like. Also leave a comment if you have anything you want to say to me. I'll read your comments. Okay, so enjoy the time lapse and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.